Morning world. Well, it's very early. I think it's 5:15.
Yeah,
something like that. Yeah, so we're up. We've had a coffee, lay in bed, having a coffee, watching that, which is another glorious sunrise. I think it's due to pop its head over that hill about 6 a.m. So we may just have a quick look and then we're going to hit the trail because we're going to beat the heat today. So just going to pack up all my shiz, get that loaded into there, do some stretches because I'm hurting, and then get off nice and early. So hopefully we'll see some lovely mid-Wales scenery yet again. Okay, we're all packed up. I think it's about 5:30. No, it must be gone 6, isn't it? The sun's well up now. So we've had our sunrise, we've had a coffee, we've packed up, look, nothing left behind. Just a bit of squashed grass where I was snoring, and that's it. So we're going to hit the trail. We're going that away. Llandrindod Wells is the final target, but we're getting to Penybont today, and awaiting us is cold beers, steak baguettes. Oh, won't be long. That'll spur us on. Okay, and there's the railway line down in the dip, going back to Knighton, or Nuckless and Knighton. So we should see Dolu from here somewhere. This is the best time of day to be doing this. Nice and cool, nobody else about, and you're ahead of the game. Love it. See you later, sunrise, because we're heading down to Llanbista Road station. So if you're doing the walk, this is where you can draw a conclusion, jump on the train, get back to the start. There is another station a little bit further on, but you would have to go out your way, called Dolu. So you could extend it slightly and drop onto that train line. And then the next stop is Penybont. Now bear in mind, we're going to Penybont, but the station's about 2 miles out of town, and it's along a busy road. So my advice, for what it's worth, is don't plan to use the train on the walk from Penybont. Go on to Llandrindod Wells, or use the train before. So plan your little sections. That's what I'm saying. Okay, here's Llanbista Road Railway Station. So this could be your ticket home if you're finishing here. Little footpath goes right into the platform. Actually, we went wrong. We went down that field to the left there, but should have just come straight down here to this little footbridge and onto the train. But we're not getting a train. Oh no, no. We are pressing on. Haymaking weather. Hopefully at the bottom of here we're going to find a bit of water. So the plan is packs off, filters out and get some fresh water, and have a little bit of breakfast. Just checking the map, and you can see that track going up that hill there. Yep, that's ours. Bugger. Oh bloody hell. Right, we've conquered that hill. Back into rolling fields and valleys. It is beautiful, but feeling it. We're going to cut across here, up a bit higher to a spot height of about up to about 400 metres, and then drop down. We still haven't found any water. The water back there was so we've pushed on. We do need some water because I'm not having breakfast yet, and hopefully some down here. Have a look at that. Radnor Forest. Morning, Gray. Hope you're alright, mate, if you're up there. Somewhere at the back of there. Up and over that little saddle, and then hopefully we should see a bit of a line then. And on the map that's marked as a little pool. Well, you see it now, and it's as dry as a chip. So still no water, still no breakfast. So we're going up again. We're going to go up to that one and hopefully see if we can see a stream bed on the way from there. But I reckon, see that track contouring round? Yeah. I'm guessing that's us. We've found some nature's little resource. Didn't realise how useful that little trickle just was. We've filled up the bags, filtered about 3 litres of water. We've had some porridge, cup of coffee, had half an hour's break, freshened up, filled up with water, had a little wash, and good to go again. I think it's 9 o'clock, 8:45. So yeah, we're going to do another 3 or 4 miles and then we'll have another stop. It's all coming together. That is the A488 from Knighton to Penybont. So we drove that yesterday, so we must have gone past where we're coming out, and I can just see contouring up that hill, slightly uphill, our track. So I think that's the byway. So that should be quite a long stretch. So we'll bang out another couple of miles along there, and then we're getting ever closer because it's starting to get hot. See that thing in the sky? 27 degrees today. So we could do with getting done before it hits that spot, really. Clifford Byway. Dream come true. Shady, level track, far as the eye can see. I'm glad we're not going up there. We're going down here. This beautiful lake down in the shade, very welcome. And we plough on up there. About to have a guilty moment. We've got to go up there. All these poor sheep are lying in that lovely shade, and as we get close they're going to scatter. Sorry ladies, disturb your morning. I think we're joining the road here. I think it's a left, Dave's thinking right. So we're going to flip a coin, I think. Update, both wrong. It's straight on, up through the byway. Road's the other side. Oh! Okay, that's the end of the Clifford Byway for us. That's a cracking little route. We're into your 4x4ing. I bet that's been done many a time. We join this little metalled road and look at that. Ooh. There's a kite or a buzzer down in the bottom. Have a look at that. Right, we've assessed the situation and we reckon we're going to be in Penybont about 1 o'clock. So I've rung ahead, spoke to the pub, and they're open, and we've ordered food and beer. Yes. So we've actually started walking a little bit quicker. Strange. So we've got about an hour and a half, and my little belly will be full. Oh. We're just coming over this brow, and I think we're going to be able to see Penybont in front of us, and it'll be a very welcome sight because it's blooming hot. It's about 26 degrees now, and there is a nice breeze which is helping, but it knocks sapping out of you. Okay, that's the end of the road. I like the road in one way, but it's hard on the feet, so we're making our way across this bridleway now, and that will take us pretty much direct line of sight over to Penybont. Well, actually joins the main road and then you drop down to Penybont. It's not far now, it's in that dip, and it's a very welcome sight. Very tired legs and tired feet, and it's hot. It's been beautiful though. We've got it is amazing scenery, but yeah, I'll be glad when we finish today. I know it looks like we're finishing early, but we started early, so no skiving here. Okay, packs off for a minute and just gather our thoughts, and then tackle the last bit. I can see it. We're heading for that big cluster of trees. I can see a track now. I've hit that down the road. On the side of that tump is my ice cold lager shandy. Yeah, I drink shandy, don't judge me. There's our pub there. I think they're on the bar ready.
Campsite wrap we're helping to promote.
Well done, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This kind gentleman is doing us some food. It's all COVID friendly, so there's a limited menu. You tell him what you want, 15-minute wait, and they bring it out to you. So we're going to suck these pints on a bench outside, and we're not walking any further. So, cheers, one and all.
Chin chin, boss. Nice one. We're done.
Oh, we are. There you go. 37.8 kilometres. And 28 hours, but that includes the night, so I don't know how many hours actual walking we've done. I'll work it out in a bit. 7.9k, total ascent 1080, so that's like the whole of Snowdon from sea level we've walked, so don't knock that. Average heart rate 131, God knows what the max was. Moving time 23 hours. Total time 28, so we've been walking for 23 hours since yesterday.
Jesus.
Average speed 1.6k an hour. Maximum speed 11 kilometres an hour. When did we do that? Did we fall over?
I might have done.
Oh, like a dog with two tails. Look at that. Oh. Right. I'm not talking to you anymore. The time is now 25 past 6. Both had showers. I've had a little kip. We've done not much else, and just sort of coming round a bit. And now it's tea time. So Mike, you're missing out, mate. Dave's prepping the barbecue. We're having Cajun steaks with freshly prepared baguettes in the oven, and a couple of cheeky beers. So what's not to like? Heart of Wales Line Trail.
Come and visit.
Michael, you should have been here. Okay, we'll wrap it up here. That's been a very welcome little end of adventure stay at the campsite. I can't remember the name of the campsite. It's at Penybont. I will flash the name up now, but highly recommend it. It's been a lovely little stay right by the river, electric hookups, camping pitches over there, bit of grass, there's some benches to use, so if you're wild camping you can use it here. If you're like us and we've got a motorhome, even better. So we've had a cracking cooked brekkie, preceded by the steak baguettes that you saw last night, so we're well put back together now. Bit of rain this morning, but it's actually dry, but we're going to knock it on the head here and we'll pick it up later on. Next stop will be Llandrindod Wells and then on down to Bilth and beyond. So if you're doing the Heart of Wales Line Trail yourself, hope you're enjoying it. Love to see what you're seeing on the other sections that we've not got to yet, and hopefully you're enjoying what we've shown you of ours. So see you on the next one. Thank you. Well, wasn't that a pleasant surprise? Just went to settle up with this lovely John and Viv from the campsite that I can't remember the name of, but I'll put it on the screen again now. And they didn't charge us because we're so a massive shout out to them. Thank you very much. And it's a lovely campsite. So if you're doing the Heart of Wales Line Trail, definitely call in and see John and Viv and use it here. Pub right next door. What's not to like? So brilliant. Thank you very much. See you soon.
I would have thought Google Maps.